Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Yazio app and you will click. Here we click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. Then here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See